I'm going to show an example how I do this. One of the things I do is feel the wires to make sure it's not hot. And I put this insulation because I got it hot. It was jumping across here, shorting out before it hits the tips. And I noticed my tips have been wearing down a lot because I do it at a 45-degree angle. I understand that's what's recommended, the 45-degree angle. It's very simple, fairly simple. I just hold it down and I have this set at 10 pulses. My setting is all the way up on the 709A Sunko. This was the first one I got and I wasn't happy with it, but I ordered the 709AD and got a 1 kilo row of this 0.15 millimeter by 8 millimeter pure nickel strips. And the thing would, you can't, even with everything all the way up, no, it doesn't work. So I'm going to try it at 220 and I'll give a comparison. Now this is 120 volts and this one doesn't feel like it's down all the way, that's for sure. Sometimes I hit it 4 times or more until I feel like it's, like this one is, yeah. Do one more. Move it one at a time here. See, that didn't take it. That one did. There we go. That's it. Do one strip at a time, and then after I do about 15 of these strips, I have to let this thing cool down because I'm starting to feel it's warm right now. And I measured the, be interesting, well, I can't do it with, I'm doing it, but I measured the amperage on each one and it was like 200 amps coming out of there. I'll measure the difference when I can compare. So this can go one step hotter, being that it will have 18. Yipes, that burned right through. If you don't press it hard enough, it could melt this thin nickel strip. That's it. I will continue on with this process and post more about it, but I can start feeling they're getting warm. And tedious task. The hardest part is it just takes a long time to do it right, so you don't burn it out. Make sure you have it firmly pressed down, and if I have any doubts, I stick my fingernail underneath there and make sure it's, that one didn't take. There we go. There we go. I will show more video when I put the bus bars in. And I don't know what I'm going to use yet. I've got a lot of solid core number 6 wire. Try that, wind it up a little bit, bend it, come out. I'll make a video of that as I do it. I'm going to shrink wrap these. I mean, not shrink wrap. I'm going to put heat wrap on these. I have them ordered, and we'll show that process too.